Welcome to what I believe is going to be our final project for the tea party. I took this cup that we got from HomeGoods and a saucer that's beautiful and grabbed a fork from the Dollar Tree and just bent it to where we can glue it to the cup and the saucer. So you're going to want to use a strong glue, not just hot glue. So I have Gorilla Clear glue and I really like it. So I put some of that on there, and you're going to also want to use hot glue and lots of hot glue. And I'm going to warn you, this gets very hot with the hot glue, so watch your fingers. I may or may not have gotten a few blisters. So then we're just going to do the same to the bottom. We're going to use that Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. And there's a little surprise that we found out. So after we glued all this together, we used a little hot glue also because you want it to instantly stick to. So we waited, and off screen as it was waiting, when we let go, it was top heavy and it fell over. So I went out in my yard and I grabbed a rock. So we glued a rock to add some weight to it. And actually the rock I think was really pretty. So after we added that rock, we put a few more in there too, because it wasn't because it was still falling over. It was just because I thought it would add some depth to the saucer to make the levels of the flowers different. So then you're going to want to start inside your cup. And hindsight, I wish I would have used bigger flowers for the inside and the fork stem. But we're not going to do this over again. So we made it work because we had a lot of flowers and we had a lot of fun picking out which goes where. And that's the most time-consuming thing, is going through your flowers, picking out what goes best. And we actually had a lot of fun doing it too, because I actually got to do this with my granddaughter Olivia. She's helping me hold things, she's helping me place things. It's her party, so I let her pick where she wanted this. And then you just keep going. You just keep gluing and gluing. And there we're almost done. And see, here at the end, we're still trying to figure out what goes there, what goes there. It all works out at the end, guys, I promise. So now we have our little teacup flower waterfall. I think it turned out so pretty, and it's going to look so cute added to her table. And we did do all sides, so you can, from the front, if you're in the back, everything is covered. And I think it turned out so pretty. Again, if you like this little tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.